In today's video, you learn facts about athletes' feet, how so many people just think it's dry skin, how it affects the toenails, and what you can do to stop the spread and restore the toenails. Lots of great toenail cleaning using my Meticulous Manicurist tools and electric file today, so stay tuned. I'm Lori Halloway, known as the Meticulous Manicurist on YouTube and an expert in the field of nail technology, specializing in pedicures.
Oh my goodness. All right, I'll take that.
If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe and click the bell to turn on your notifications to know when I upload my weekly video and be notified if your comment got the most likes and will be featured in an upcoming video.
How long have you been dealing with it?
About 2 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, straighten all the way out.
People are afraid to come in, understandably, but when they do, I work in the operating room. Do you ever get a vacation?
We take small getaways,
Yeah.
like 4-day weekends here and there.
When do you think I need to?
Slippery. Hold on. Do you have kids?
Yes.
How old are they?
Oldest one is 30.
What? You look 30.
The little one is 27, and the youngest one is 23.
Wow.
Yeah.
Everybody needs to know your secrets.
I don't know what it is. I guess just to stay busy, stay active.
All right. All right, you can straighten all the way out. Yeah, and if it's out of sight, out of mind. So it's like you really do need it in your
Absolutely.
living space where you watch television
I
or.
don't think I would ask him for anything else for a good maybe year.
Right.
Yeah, man, that's out of here.
So how long have you been watching the videos?
Ooh, for about a year.
Yeah?
About a good year. My guilty pleasure. I got my friends at work watching it too.
Do you? That's fantastic.
But they can't look away. They're like, why do you watch that? But they just look right along with me. Love it. They just want to do it.
Especially if he's wearing boots.
Yeah. See their baby sock. I'm so jealous. Plus I give him pedicures too.
Do you? Good. Now your big toes are going to take the longest because it's gone so far down.
How long do you think it'll take?
It's going to take about a year. But the nail mycosis does make nails grow faster.
Damn, no polish for you.
Nope. But when they start looking better, you won't want to wear it because they're going to look so clean and healthy. Oh, really? Now, when you start using the nail mycosis, this nail is going to feel real spongy. And I'm going to show you. See how it'll move? It's because the nail fungus has separated the layers of keratin. It almost is kind of like a grain, like a piece of wood even. So don't be surprised when that starts happening. And if some of it crumbles off or flakes off at the top, totally fine and normal. You can take a fingernail file even. We have some emery boards like this at home and just smooth off the surface. Just file it down so it doesn't snag on your socks or anything like that. If it becomes too bothersome, you can just take a pair of toenail clippers and just trim off any little pieces that are snagging up. Just don't poke yourself down into your nail bed, which underneath the nail, you don't want to cause yourself any damage or injury. But that is totally normal. And as your toenail grows, it won't be like that anymore. It'll be one solid layer of keratin again. Okay.
What's gonna be the name of our video?
I don't know. Do you want to name it?
Frankenstein toes.
Yeah, I should let people name their own videos. It's hard to come up with
I
names.
know.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.